Human race is identified and distinguished by its ability to invent things. Product design is deeply ingrained in us. All the products that are lying around us today were someone's imagination once. We have started making things by hand and moved to making digital or virtual things using computers. Autodesk Fusion 360 is a designer's tool for creating 3D models. The easy user interface and varied workspaces can quickly help you in giving shape to your ideas. In this Fusion 360 beginners course, we'll be learning about 3D modeling tools in the software. We will create a bunch of tools that are commonly available in a toolbox. You'll be introduced to top-down and bottom-up assemblies. We will discuss about creating photorealistic images in rendering space. Animation workspace tools will be touched upon for creating product videos. Last but not the least, technical drawings will be created in Drawing Workspace. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone interested in designing products, this course is for you. Join me in the course to explore the world of Fusion 360 and give wings to your product ideas.